Hello there, welcome back to the eGreen channel, embracing a vibrant life the plant-based path. A plant-based diet is a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. It's not just about the food on your plate, but about a holistic approach to living that encompasses physical health, mental well-being, and environmental sustainability. It's about embracing whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and sustain the planet. By choosing plant-based options, you're making a conscious decision to fuel your body with the best nature has to offer. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts and seeds become the stars of your plate, bursting with flavor and life-giving nutrients. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and vitality. Imagine a rainbow of colors at every meal, each bite a symphony of taste and texture. The vibrant hues of plant-based foods are not just visually appealing, but also indicative of their rich nutrient content. This way of eating is not about deprivation or strict rules. It's about enjoying a wide variety of foods that are both delicious and nourishing. You can savor your meals without feeling restricted. It's a celebration of abundance, a chance to explore the incredible diversity of plant-based foods. From exotic fruits to hearty vegetables, there's always something new and exciting to try. It's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally, while making choices that align with your values. A plant-based diet can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. As you embark on this journey, remember that every step, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. You don't have to make drastic changes overnight. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine and gradually build from there. You're not just changing your diet, you're embracing a lifestyle that nourishes your body, mind, and soul. This holistic approach to eating and living can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Welcome to the delicious and fulfilling world of plant-based eating. Here you'll discover a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for health, wellness, and sustainability. Together, we can make a positive impact on our lives and the world around us. Your plate, your journey, gradual steps to plant-powered eating. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't require a complete overhaul overnight. It's a gradual process that allows you to explore and enjoy new flavors and textures at your own pace. It's a journey best taken one delicious step at a time. Each meal is an opportunity to discover something new and delightful. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. You don't have to give up your favorite dishes. Instead, find plant-based alternatives that satisfy your cravings. Instead of meat-centric dinners, explore lentil stews, veggie-packed stir-fries, or hearty bean burritos. These meals are not only nutritious, but also incredibly flavorful and filling. Breakfast can be a breeze with overnight oats topped with fresh berries and nuts. This simple yet satisfying meal can be prepared the night before, saving you time in the morning, or start your day with a smoothie bursting with fruits, greens, and plant-based milk. Smoothies are versatile and can be customized to your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Lunch can feature colorful salads with chickpeas or tofu, veggie wraps, or hearty soups. These meals are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the plant-based choices on your plate. You'll find that the more you experiment, the more you'll enjoy the variety and richness of plant-based foods. Experiment with new ingredients, flavors, and recipes. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might discover a new favorite dish or ingredient that you love. Embrace the abundance and variety that plant-based eating offers. There are countless fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes to explore, each bringing its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Take your time to enjoy the process of discovering new foods and recipes. Cooking can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity, especially when you're creating meals that nourish your body and soul. Enjoy the process of discovering new favorites and creating a way of eating that feels both satisfying and sustainable. Share your journey with family and friends and inspire others to explore the benefits of plant-powered eating. Together, you can create a healthier, more sustainable future. Planning for success: meal prep and balanced nutrition. One of the keys to a successful plant-based transition is planning. Having delicious and nutritious meals readily available can make all the difference. Dedicate some time each week to meal prep. Wash and chop vegetables, cook a big batch of grains like quinoa or brown rice, and prepare some plant-based protein sources like lentils or tofu. When planning your meals, aim for a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs, spices, and flavorful sauces to add zest to your dishes. Invest in some good quality storage containers to keep your prepped food fresh and easily accessible. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in making plant-based eating convenient and enjoyable. Section 4. Protein powerhouses exploring plant-based alternatives. A common concern when transitioning to a plant-based diet is getting enough protein. But rest assured, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources that are both delicious and nutritious. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and beans are protein powerhouses, packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are versatile soy-based options that provide all 9 essential amino acids. You can incorporate them into stir-fries, salads, or use them as meat substitutes in your favorite recipes. Nuts, seeds, and quinoa are also excellent sources of plant-based protein and healthy fats. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to smoothies, or enjoy them as snacks. Remember to vary your protein sources to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Section 5. Delicious discoveries, easy and enjoyable plant-based meals. Plant-based eating is anything but boring. In fact, it opens up a whole new world of culinary possibilities that are both nutritious and delicious. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting to explore plant-based options, there's something for everyone. There's a world of flavor waiting to be explored. From exotic spices to fresh, vibrant ingredients, plant-based meals can be a feast for the senses. Imagine the aroma of freshly chopped herbs, the vibrant colors of seasonal vegetables, and the satisfying textures of whole grains and legumes. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup. This simple yet satisfying breakfast is not only delicious but also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats to keep you energized throughout the morning. For lunch, enjoy a colorful salad with grilled tofu or tempeh, a variety of veggies, and a light vinaigrette. The combination of crunchy vegetables, protein-rich tofu, and a tangy dressing makes for a refreshing and nourishing meal that will keep you full and focused. Dinner can be a fiesta of flavors with lentil stews, veggie curries, or hearty bean burritos. These dishes are not only comforting and satisfying, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite spices, herbs, and vegetables to create a meal that's uniquely yours. Don't forget to explore the world of plant-based desserts. From creamy avocado chocolate pudding to fruit-based crumbles, there's no shortage of sweet treats that are both indulgent and healthy. From fruit-based crumbles to creamy avocado chocolate pudding, there are plenty of options to satisfy your sweet tooth. These desserts are made with natural ingredients and are free from refined sugars, making them a guilt-free way to end your meal. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with new recipes, and don't be afraid to put your own spin on classic dishes. The beauty of plant-based cooking is that it's incredibly adaptable. You can mix and match ingredients, try out new cooking techniques, and discover flavors you never knew existed. You'll be amazed at the variety and deliciousness that plant-based eating has to offer. From breakfast to dinner and everything in between, plant-based meals can be easy, enjoyable, and incredibly satisfying. So why not give it a try and see how delicious plant-based eating can be? Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts,